Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, I have an outgoing swap with Miss Honeybee and ManDaLee. And this month's swap was for rosettes. And I haven't done rosettes in a long time, and they're really not my forte, but I decided to take a step out of the box and create some. If you would have seen that mess that I did on Thursday Night Live, you'll understand. But I did get them made, and I thought I'd show you how I packaged them and show you how they looked after I got them all done. So this is how I decided to package them. I had these big 6x8 envelopes, and I put them all in here, and I used hot dots to do them. So here's how they look. I'm sorry for the glare. I'm not going to unpackage them though. But I decided to make my little paper ruffles, and I have a tutorial on those in my 24 weeks of Christmas videos, a couple of videos back, and I'll try to remember to link that below in the description box if you want to know how I did those. And then these are the little rosettes that I created. So they all basically look the same for the first 3 of them. But I ran out of the little Christmas tree and the little red and green flowers on the 4th one. But basically, we were to do 3 packages, and then we swap, and get 3 back. And then the 4th package we do is for a grand prize. Everybody's name goes in a drawing, and then that person wins every one of them. So basically, it's the same. It's just the little decorations different. Like here, instead of a Christmas tree, I use packaging. And instead of the red and green, I have red, white, and green with the polka dots instead. But they're all made the same. So I just thought I would share that with you and tell Miss Honeybee and ManDaLee how much I enjoyed stepping out of the box to create these rosettes for the swap. So I'll link both of their channels below in the description box. If you've never been to their channel, go check them out. They're very talented ladies. And so, yeah, that's it. I just wanted to share that with you before I get them off in the mail. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. And don't forget to tap the bell where you may be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.